Good morning to all of you. Myself Gautam Kumar Mishra. Here we have come here to learn about the line segment, ray and line. About line segment, ray and line we have already learned in our previous class. Also we have learned exercise 11a in our last class. Now today we will learn about some questions of exercise 11b. Now the first question is, which of the following has no endpoints? We know that a line has no endpoint and no beginning point and no endpoint. So a line has no endpoint. So right option is C. Now which of the following has one endpoint? One endpoint, only a ray has one endpoint, because a ray is starting from a source and that is the endpoint, one endpoint of in case of a ray. Now question number, so right option is B. Now question number 3, which of the following has two endpoints? A line segment has two endpoints, because a line segment starts from a point and it ends at another in second point. So a line segment has two endpoints. So right option is A. Now in question number 4, which of the following has definite length? A line segment has a definite length. So right option is B. Now in question number 5, which of the following can be drawn on a piece of paper? A line segment can be drawn on a piece of paper, because a line segment has a definite length and that particular length then a line segment of that particular length can be drawn on a paper. Now in question number 6, so right option is B. Now question number 6, how many lines can be drawn passing through a given point? Passing through a given point, in unlimited number of lines can be drawn. So the right option is D. In question number 7, how many lines can be drawn passing through two given points? Only one only one line can be drawn passing through two given points in a plane. So right option is A. In question number 8, two planes intersect at a line, in a line. Two planes intersect in a line. Now, so right option is C. Now in question number 9, two lines intersect at a point. Two lines intersect at a point. So right option is A. Now in question number 10, two points in a plane determine which is the right answer? Exactly one line segment. 2 points, yes, 2 points in a plane determine exactly one line segment. So right option is A. Now the minimum number of points of intersection of three lines in a plane is three lines can be parallel, they may be parallel, and that time we will not get any intersecting point of the three lines. So the right option is D, 0. Now the maximum number of points of intersection of three lines in a plane is 3, because in this way three lines, suppose this is the plane, three lines can be intersected at maximum 3, at maximum these 3 points, maximum 3 points, this is the point. So 3 points can maximum 3 lines in a plane can be intersected maximum in 3 points. So the right option is D. It is also D. Now in question number 13, choose the correct statement. Now every line has a definite length. Yes, every line has no, this is incorrect. Every line does not have a definite length. Incorrect. Every ray has a definite length. No, it is false. Every line segment has a definite length. Yes, it is right. Every line segment has a definite length. C is the right option. Now question number 14. Choose the false statement. Line AB is the same as the line BA. AB, yes, this is right. AB and BA, these two lines both are same. Ray AB is the same as ray BA. No, it is false. So false statement is 14B. B is the right option. Now line segment AB is the same as the line segment BA. Yes, it is correct. Now in question number 15, how many rays can be drawn with a given point as initial point? Many lines and unlimited lines can be drawn with a given point in a plane. So right option is C. So that's all. Thank you to all of you and have a good day. Thank you once again. Okay.